What's up, everybody? I have a pair of LED brake lights here from Lasfit, and today we'll be upgrading the current halogen bulbs that I have in my car to these LED bulbs. So here's a halogen bulb, a standard bulb that I removed from my car already, and here's the LED bulb from Lasfit. There are two major reasons that you might want to upgrade to LED. The first is longevity. Basically, you'll never have to worry about replacing a bulb ever again after installing LED lights, as they last 25 to 50 times longer than standard halogen bulbs. And the second reason is increased brightness. So these LED bulbs from Lasfit output 700 lumens as compared to the OEM halogen bulbs that came pre-installed in my 2016 Toyota Camry that output about 450 lumens. First, I'm going to show the brightness difference of the bulbs in a 7th generation Toyota Camry and give my thoughts. This should be relevant regardless of what make or model of car you have, as you'll likely see a similar improvement in light output. In the last section of the video, I'll show you how to do the install, and if you have a different vehicle than mine, this section will be less relevant. All right, so let's jump in. Starting here, this is footage of the halogen brake lights that come pre-installed from the factory. And here are the same factory bulbs, but with the garage light off. Same camera angle, but now I have installed the Lasfit LED brake light on the right-hand side. As you can see here, the LED bulb on the right is much brighter, and I see this as a definite plus. My take here is that there are pretty much no downsides to the upgrade. The install is easy, the bulbs are brighter, and you get peace of mind that you'll never have a bulb burn out on you while you're on the road. The only hesitation I have here is cost. These lights cost about $56 before tax on the Lasfit website, and you could get a replacement pair of halogen bulbs for under $20 online or in a local automotive parts store. But again, if it's within your budget, I think this is a great upgrade, and I do highly recommend it. All right, let's jump into the installation section of the video. I'm installing in a 2016 Toyota Camry, and this process should be the same for any 7th generation Camry, years 2011 through 2017. Once you've popped the trunk, locate the hook and remove by pressing in on its center. It will spring free. Next, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove the fastener clips. They should pop free with very little effort. There's one final plastic retaining clip up high, and I'm going to use a needle nose pliers to pull this clip away. This one's a bit more challenging to remove. We can now pull back the lining to reveal the brake light connector. Pinch the lock pin connector and pull backwards to disconnect power from the light. Then rotate the connector counterclockwise in the socket to remove. If it won't budge for some reason, you can just use a pair of pliers. I would open them to a gentle squeeze setting just so that you don't crack the plastic. Remove the old halogen bulb by pulling directly out and insert the LED light into the plastic connector. Then reattach power. The bulb is glowing because I have the key in the ignition in the on position. I'm doing this to ensure that the light works correctly before closing everything back up. Line the socket back up and rotate clockwise until it snaps into place. Lastly, move the trunk lining back into place and snap the plastic fastener clips back to where they were removed. And we're done. Repeat the process on the other side. Then double check that everything's functioning properly and enjoy your new brighter LED lights. If you have any questions or issues, please drop them in the comments section below. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one.